Alright, so today we're going to be doing math IQ problems. So let's go ahead and just jump into the first problem. So it tells us Calvin has $50. Given the price list of 6 different items, how many items can he buy at most? And it's telling us that we should assume that he can only buy one of each item. So let's break down the problem. Basically, it gives us a chart of 6 items and the prices for each of the items. We know he has $50 and we're asked to see how many items can he buy at most. So what we should do is to maximize the number of items we can buy, we should buy all the cheapest items first so we can use our money well. So off the bat, I can see that C is the cheapest item. It's only $5 compared to the rest of the prices. So we should buy C first. So after we buy C, we will have $45 because 50 minus $5 is $45. And with this money, we can buy something else. We can buy D because it's only $8. So basically what we're doing is we're buying the next cheapest item. So D is $8. After we buy D, we'll have $37. And we bought C and we bought D. Next, we can buy B. It's only $10. So after we buy B, we'll have 37 minus 10, $27 left. And with $27, we can buy one final product. We can buy E. So E is only $12, so we can buy E. And finally, we'll have $15 left. And $15 is not enough to buy item A or item F, so we know that we are done here. And if we go back, we can see we bought 4 items, so our answer is 4. Alright, next problem. How many ones can be found in numbers 1 to 50? So essentially what this problem is asking us is to list out the numbers from 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, ... 50. And it's asking us how many times will we see the number 1. So it can be 1 as in 1, or we can see 11. 11 counts as 2 ones because we can see 2 ones here. Or let's say 21, it also has a 1. So a good way to do this problem is to break it up into simple parts. So first, let's list out the numbers from 1 to 10. So here I see 2 ones. I have 1 here and 1 in 10. So I'm just going to write to the side 2. Next, let's list numbers from 11 to 20. Now, if we count the ones here, we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. Next, let's go from 21 to 30. Now here it seems like we'll only have 1 1, and that's correct. The only one from 21 to 30 is in 21. So since it's 21, it goes to 22, 23, 24. We're not going to reach another 1 until we hit 31. So in this case, there's only 1 1. And the same case for 31 to 40. And similarly from 41 to 50, there are both only 1 instance of 1. So for both these groups, we have 1. So at the end, we can add up 2 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 15 ones in the numbers from 1 to 50. And that's our answer. Alright, here's our last problem. At a riverbank, 42 adventurers saw a rubber raft. So at a riverbank, let's draw out the problem. So we have 42 adventurers and there's a raft. and they're looking to get to the other side of the river. But the rubber raft can only ferry 6 people across the river at a time. So that means only 6 people can fit on this raft. So how many trips must be made in order to ferry all adventurers across the river? So one trip is forward, going there and going back. So this problem is pretty simple. We have 42 people and they want to get to the other side, but it can only fit 6 at once. So we need to find out how many groups of 6 are in 42. And we can do this by dividing 42 by 6. And this will give us 7, and that is our answer. The reason why we ask for how many groups of 6 are in 42 is that only 6 can go at a time, so we're just looking for how many groups of 6 can fit in 42. And 42 divided by 6 gives us 7, and that is our final answer.